Welcome back. Calangute police arrested a pimp and 2 customers in a sex racket at Calangute. This is the 17th case in last 6 months. A pimp, Piyush Verma, aged 25 from Hyderabad, and 2 customers, Giridhar Ponanga, aged 38 from Tamil Nadu, and Venkata Thota, aged 37 from Hyderabad, were arrested in a sex racket at Calangute. The pimp was arrested red-handed while dealing with a 24-year-old girl.
Court-appointed one Piyush Sharma, aged 25 years, native of Hyderabad, while delivering a 24-year-old girl from Mumbai to 2 customers, namely Giridhar Ponanga, aged 38 years, native of Chennai, and the second one Venkata Thota, aged 37 years, native of Hyderabad. The pimp along with the 2 customers have been arrested.
Calangute police have till date arrested almost 50 people in sex racket cases in last 6 months. Our reporter from Calangute, Shyam Sundar Fatte. And now news from sports. WGM Bhakti Kulkarni has stormed into the topmost Indian women's chess team after her silver medal winning performance in the Premier Chess Tournament. Bhakti had the same tally as top 4 players, but she had to settle for second place as Marianne Gomes from Kolkata had a better tie-break score. Bhakti looked relaxed and satisfied with a silver medal effort in Jalgaon. Goa Chess Association President Ashish Keni called upon Bhakti for her fine show.
I am very happy with my performance because I tied for the first place at National Women's Premier at Jalgaon, and I am very happy for that, and I got a very nice experience to play amongst many top players of India, which were international masters as well as grandmasters. And actually before the tournament I was planning to get in top 6 because after getting in top 6 I would have been selected for the Indian national team, and but from the first round also I started playing very well, and I got the confidence that I can make it, and I played very, without any tension and without any expectation, and everyone was saying that you were deserving to become the champion. I tied for the first place, so I am very happy for that. No, such a pressure we kind of कारण I did not expect to come in top 6. Only I was aiming to get that thing. So आम्ही काही टेन्शन घेऊ ना म्हणून I tied for the first place.
ती बरोबर आता इवाना फुर्तादोय बी खेळटाले आणि इवाना फुर्तादो 18वें आयले पोजिशन. And Ivana is a young chess player, so ताका मातसो टायम वतलो आनी फुडें कित्याक अबाउट सगळ्यांचो टॉप वुमन्स टुर्नामेंट जावन आसा, वुमन्स प्रिमियर इंडियाचो टॉप टुर्नामेंट, आनी हातूंत आतां भक्ती हेज कम सेकंड आनी ताका आतां पार्टिसिपेट जावपाक मेळटा फॉर द इंडियन नॅशनल टीम, आनी दीस इज द फर्स्ट टायम आमचो गोंयचो प्लेयर इंडियन नॅशनल टीमीक चॅसाक खेळटलो फॉर द टॉप टीम.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.